Starbies, welcome back to my channel.
I'm using that. That's so good. Hi Starbies, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another one of my new things. I call it Snatched by Starbies.
Ooh.
This is my cousin Isabel, and we're gonna transform her into me. The completed look. Close your eyes. A nice copper look. Follow my Instagram and Twitter. Everything's linked down below. You already know. We even got the same matching striped shirt.
Somewhat. Mine's a little bit lower, but
you know
hold
me.
up.
In my high neck.
Hold
So let's get right into it. Okay, so we'll just like chat with me. No, like have a conversation. I'm gonna look through your stuff. Do you have anything for eyebrows?
No, because obviously due to my eyebrow, I don't have anything.
I have something for you then. Have you ever filled in your eyebrows?
My aunt has always done it. I've never filled in eyebrows.
How did your scar happen?
It-
Oh, I feel like you've always had it. I remember you
it feels like I've always had it. When I got it, I was, shoot, I don't even remember how old I was. I know I have two scars. So I have two that is in the shape of a cross. So I have like one like that goes like this, and then I have a giant one, which is obviously the one that you can see like on my eyebrow. My mom was going back to work one day.
Right.
And it was her first day back from having me. She was leaving me, so my grandma was obviously taking care of me. And on her first day back, she gets a little call from my grandma saying, "We're at the medical clinic right now for Isabel." Turns out I fell somehow, me
Pretty
being the
bad.
clumsy one.
Oh, so by the way, this is my cousin. I haven't even said. Well, like technically, we're not even really cousins.
We're second
We're
cousins.
Her mom and dad are my mom and dad. My mom.
Your mom is my cousin.
parents?
Your parents are my cousins, technically.
Technically. Yes.
Technically, and
Your
then
dad is my mom's uncle.
yes,
There we go.
and then your grandma is my aunt.
That's crazy.
That's weird.
My grandma's her aunt, and
Yes.
her grandma's my great grandma. But we look the same.
Ever since we were smaller,
The
we
ice
were
cream man.
the ice cream man.
Being the spoiled little baby I was, my grandma would always buy me stuff. We were like little stuff. I don't think we were in school yet.
No.
The same ice cream truck would go from my house to her grandma's house, well, like where she stayed. It would come to my house first, and then it would be like I'd get whatever I wanted. The ice cream truck would pass by her house, and she would get something, and then the guy would be like, "Didn't I just see you at the house over there?
Didn't I just give you ice cream?"
And then they're like, "What?"
Like, they were so confused.
The liquor store guy too.
Fun fact, we both hated makeup growing up.
And they know this story. I like despised makeup, anything.
Same way. Did not
Turn your head this way.
refuse to wear makeup till my senior year. I refused to wear makeup to parties, everything
never
like
did.
that.
Now I like show up with a full face.
Oh yeah,
hello.
same.
Greetings, I'm here to serve.
I'm here with like dramatic eyelashes and stuff at parties, like
Oh yeah.
Christmas with like giant lashes and what and like
Oh, I wore like the
everything.
hugest lashes I had. I was like,
I had like drag queen lashes. I felt like.
I'm really sad I didn't find that picture of us when we were babies.
Oh, I know.
like, If I find it, I'll insert it here, but I don't think I'm gonna find it.
Your hands are so soft.
Really? Thank you. I'm gonna play that like over and over again. You run, don't you? You don't run. It looks like you run. She has like a I'm over here like trying my best to get in shape, running like 4 miles. Like, okay.
Shoot, I work out for a week and I stop halfway.
Isabel. Well, lucky you.
That's not
Like,
good.
I'm a stick though. Like, if I don't work out, I'm like, are you 12? 'Cause like,
Have you gotten that a lot? Funny fact, I passed for a child's ticket at the movie theaters.
really? I'm making her listen to this joke. I just realized it's still playing.
It's my first time hearing any other song besides Reptilia.
Everyone that comes to my house knows, like,
We go
it's a
through a
protocol.
tough interrogation. I'm kidding.
It's
no.
a protocol. Everyone who comes knows. Look at, I'm holding, I have a table right here.
At least you know which brushes that you're using.
Okay, so I'm actually using this brand new glitter that I bought. It's the NYX glitter. Don't know what that says, but it's in bronze. Have you used this before?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, for any of you guys that don't know, I'm super bad at eyeliner, especially winged eyeliner. I'm so bad that I need a stencil. Takis and hot Cheetos. Trust me, I know you.
Do you know the story that I used to eat like a whole box?
Yes, and you got sick from
and I would
it.
throw
Yes.
up all the time. And my grandma was so mean and she would still let me eat that.
Yes, I was told the story, so I would not do the same.
Wow,
My grandma would always tell me the story, or like somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know those large bag of like Takis or something. And like you would eat it. I would do the exact same thing, and I would eat it all the
Would you
time.
get sick too?
I would
Or
not.
would you know your limit? And this is a completed look, everybody. Oh shoot, see Vanessa. Oh no, I called you Vanessa. Sorry, because we were talking about Vanessa.
Oh god. Hey Vanessa, if you're watching,
Shout out to
sup?
you. Okie dokie.
I got the like the fair skin tone, even though I'm not fair.
Girl, you think this is gonna work? I'll make it work.
Make the
If I
magic
can make
happen.
this foundation work on me and it's like my summertime foundation.
Is it really?
You have perfect vision, right? Like you can see if you don't wear glasses. Do you wear glasses?
Lindsay. Yes.
Oh,
My prescription is horrible.
do you wear contacts?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm wearing contacts now. I was tempted to bring my glasses because we have the same kind of
Really?
glasses.
What kind of glasses? Oh shit,
Well-
you kind of like the same one. Now I'm tripping the fuck out. Oh, sorry. I just had like a really weird moment. Okay, anyways, you have the same glasses. That's fucking weird. Okay.
I won't look at
You
you. I'm
gave me a look
sorry.
and I was like, that looks like a picture I've taken. This is one. Have you used the balm before?
I've never used the balm. Ever since that you mentioned it, I was tempted
You
to
should
try.
try it.
I'm
You still
really-
go to Cyprus? Did you go to Cyprus?
I go to Cyprus, yeah.
I went there too. What have you taken?
I've taken a lot of classes. I've just taken all my general ed like classes.
Did you take English?
I did take English. I'm
Who did
taking.
you have? Did you have a boy professor?
Yes,
What was his name?
Brett Kaufman.
Did you ever have Professor Payne?
No.
I was so in love with him. I took all of
Ooh.
his classes just because I loved
Whoa.
him. I swear, like, I almost changed my major for him. Like, I wanted to be
What?
an English professor. Because he told me, like, oh, you write really well. And I was like,
Ooh, scandalous.
I love you.
Trying hard not to laugh like my regular donkey laugh that I have.
Why did I think of Shrek?
Because it's donkey. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm trying to eat your
I'm not
feet.
like,
Why am I low-key wanting to cry right now?
It's okay to be emotional.
No, like it's
You
just
can cry. How tall are you?
5'2", exactly.
Oh, I'm taller than you?
Wait, what?
I'm 5'3".
No.
according to the doctor.
No.
I am.
I refuse to believe that we are
Why did I think you
different
were
height.
taller than me?
Are we not the
I
same
feel like
height?
no. Well, clearly, I mean,
I've been measured at 5'2" exactly. I'm a short person. I get made fun of my height with
wait,
my
I
family.
thought I was tall. Okay.
What?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I wanted to do it too. No, I'm kidding.
That way.
Okay. My hair's just so long and thick, it gets in the
Oh.
way. So luxurious. Do we look the same?
Hold on, let me fix my hair. There's a mirror right here too.
I saw you and I was like, me? What?
Huh?
If I put my hair down a little bit. I can't.
Because I have
can't.
bangs.
I don't have bangs.
I'm like trying to get it to stay up. I think my forehead is bigger thanks to my father. Thank you, Dad. But oh my hair.
I'm trying.
So this is the completed look. We tried to do the same look. We did our little. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't think so. I did highlight. Yeah, we're good. So this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. They could get it on camera.
Oh my god.
Wait, you didn't get it on camera! Dang it, do it again!
I
I haven't seen yet.
Okay, wait. Come around from the mirror's side.
I'll have Dad come in too.
Okay. Wait, no,
no.
we didn't get it! Damn it! You should have seen it. Is it weird? What?
Did you get it?
No, I didn't get it.
I was like, whoa, that's a trip.
Which side? My brain hurts.
Whoa. Remember
Okay.
when you guys were little?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna do? You've seen my videos. So just go with your hands
Like this?
Yes, and your highest pitched voice you can possibly do.
Hi, Starbies.
No kidding, I'm not gonna do
That's
that.
how I sound.
Oh god.
That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool.